drive, it's just in the hot springs. This is Saratoga, Hobo Hot Springs. The river is cold and hot, and these are the crazy super hot springs.
Riding from my bunk of bikers in Casper to soak in the hot springs in Saratoga.
I'm on Highway 220 south. So it looks like they closed the road ahead as well too. I think they do that with high wind and I'm assuming in the snow. Yeah, this one as well. Aerial spraying, right? You get sprayed with some kind of pesticide. There's another one of the cutouts. Very nice. And deer. Or their pronghorn. They knew where to go into the fence. Cool. That is pretty cool. Where are you going, baby? Back on the road? Yeah, there's more up there too. Welcome to Medicine Bow. I'm hoping there's a gas station here. I'm not super low, but I think it's a good ways to the next place. Okay, it's telling me to go right because that's the direction I want to go. But I'm going to go into town because there's got to be a gas station here. And that would just make me feel better. It used to be a gas station. I see people turning into somewhere. Is that a gas station? No. Interesting. Wow. There. Let's go. That looks like it's gas. I'm assuming this isn't just a truck stop gas. And I can get gas here. Oh, is it just diesel? Oh no, unleaded. Okay. Oh, but they're out of unleaded. Yeah. Crap. Fine, so I won't get gas here. Well, that's a bummer. Alrighty, where's the road? This is a cute little town. Well, very cute little town. Just no gas. just got gas, so feel better about that. And the river, very pretty. Cute little boat access there. And there's hot springs over there.
You've arrived.
You can tell by my messy hair, I was just in the hot springs. This is Saratoga, Hobo hot springs. They are free, which is awesome. The pool behind me is the cooler one of the two. There is a river that these pools flow into. So the river is cold and hot. And these are the crazy super hot springs. I didn't stay in there that long. Very nice though.
I am leaving Saratoga Hot Springs, the Hobo Hot Springs, which are free, and run into the river just over the bank. Right into the river here. I did not go to the kiddie pool thing that they were just opening right now. Hot springs are very nice. No chlorine, all natural, sandy bottom. Very appreciated, and they are free, which is super nice. I am going to get food now because I'm about to go into the National Forest, and I don't think there's food up there. One of the locals told me there's a place on the right up here before the bridge. This is the main street. Very cool little main street. She said it was on this street.
Hit like, subscribe, share, and comment below.
First, yes.
Hit the notifications bell and you'll be notified for my next video as I ride into the National Forest.
Well, I see lodges. She said it's before the river. Unless one of these is a restaurant. Restaurant catering. Oh, I hope it's not too much money. It's busy. This is where locals go, which is what I want. The mom and pop place where locals go. I'm assuming this is a parking spot.
Follow me on social media Links in the description below.